Guess where we are?
Petron, dyan lang sa Katipunan.
Petron Katipunan. Asa ang UP Town?
Taga-taga.
Saan kayo, Lods? Sama ako ha, sabay na lang ako. Pero di... Oh my God! Bye-bye!
Uy, gago!
Ang okay mo. And the time? Because the time is ticking. Yes, 20 minutes remaining. Pan-fried beef and pork sauteed with garlic.
Kahit onion yan.
So seasoned with salt and pepper. Maybe he's not really the master chef. Maybe he's just a chef. But I am the master chef.
Why is your pan empty?
Because right now I'm cleansing it.
Okay.
That's what we need. This is what you call heart attack.